Hi, I'm Mrs. Fretwell, and I'm just going to talk you through how our Year 11 plan for how we are going to assess our students in Triple Science this year. Hopefully, the students have already come home and talked you through biology, chemistry, and physics, and they've explained already how they are going to be assessed. But if not, this will hopefully answer any questions that you might still have. So, in biology, this is our plan. So we're already on the week commencing the 22nd of March. So the students have already done their ecosystems revision. So we did revision for everything that we've covered in ecology, and then they sat their assessment last week. We're then moving on to do lessons of cells revision, and that will set them up for a 30 mark cells assessment. They'll then be moving on and doing their organisation revision, and that will set them up for another organisation assessment worth 30 marks. Then there's loads of time for paper one revision, and then for biology, they will sit their paper one biology exam. A little bit like, so it's the same content that they covered in their November mocks as well. So we've also got the evidence that from any assessment they've already sat with us in biology, and then this plan will make sure we've got evidence from 3 assessments and then their mock. So hopefully that will answer any questions about biology. It's the same plan for chemistry, except for different assessment titles. So they've already done their analysis revision and they've already done their analysis exam. They're just covering revision now, ready for an assessment to do with everything in paper one, so atomic structure, periodic table. And then they'll be moving on to doing revision to do with bonding, and that will lead them up to their other assessment as well. And then from there, it will be paper one revision for chemistry, just like biology. So again, there are 3 opportunities in chemistry to get extra data and to get that evidence, and then they will have their paper one mock as well. Same as biology, any assessment they've already done that we've already got on our tracker or from their November mock, we've already got that evidence as well. And then finally, our physics plan. Again, looks very similar to the others. They've done their waves revision already and their waves assessment, and then now they're moving on to looking at their electricity revision, ready for an electricity assessment as well. After Easter, it'll be energy revision, all ready for an energy assessment. That will then take them up to doing their paper one revision. And then again, they will sit their paper one physics exam just before they leave. So biology, chemistry, and physics, exactly the same sorts of plans. Loads of opportunities where we can get their assessment data. And again, anything they've already done in the past can count towards their evidence as well. So if somebody struggles on one of these topics and might not do as well as they would like, there's loads of other opportunities to get that evidence and to get that extra data. So it's just about encouraging the students to always be trying in their revision lessons and giving 100% in their little assessments, so we've got enough evidence on them as possible. On the last slide, just to help you out, we've just got what the paper one content is for each paper. So these are the mocks that they'll be sitting right at the end. So the topics for biology, the topics for chemistry, and the topics for physics. If you would like to see the specifications for each of our subjects as well, then literally in Google, you can just type GCSE AQA Triple Science, and then you can access the proper specifications for biology, chemistry, and physics. I hope that was useful, and I hope it's answered any questions that you may have about your child studying triple science this year. Thank you.